You know, our brain does something fascinating every single day. It forms love automatically. No effort, no planning, no explanation required. Love begins in the oldest parts of the brain. Connection, bonding, empathy. These are hardwired survival tools. Your nervous system recognizes warmth, safety, familiarity, and responds instantly. That's why love can appear suddenly, sometimes even without logic. But hate works very differently. Hate does not arise on its own. Hate needs a story. The brain cannot sustain hatred without narratives, labels, and justifications. It needs a reason, an explanation, a villain. This is why hatred is taught, not instinctive. Your brain must be fed repeated stories. They are dangerous. They are inferior. They deserve this. Without these narratives, hate collapses. Psychologically, hate requires constant mental energy. It depends on memory, interpretation, and emotional reinforcement. Love flows. Hate must be maintained. That's why, children form friendships effortlessly, and adults, well, they hold grudges for years. When you remove the story, hatred weakens. When labels disappear, the brain returns to its natural state. Connection. This is also why propaganda works. And why, honestly, healing begins with questioning the story you were told. Ask yourself this: is this emotion coming from direct experience or from a narrative I accepted? Love doesn't need proof. Hate demands one. Your brain already knows how to love. It only learned how to hate later. And anything learned, well, can be unlearned.